The movement of rock, debris or earth down a slope is called a landslide. Human activities like urbanization and deforestation can weaken a mountain and start a landslide. Landslides can result in either a single rockfall or even toppling down a whole hill or mountain. The force with which a landslide occurs causes a lot of destruction. Watch this debris caused by an earthquake. Earthquake is the sudden shaking or vibration of the Earth's surface due to a sudden tremor or movement of the Earth's crust. Generally, earthquakes are caused when the rocks break suddenly. Earthquakes cause a lot of destruction to buildings and constructions, and several lives get lost under the debris. Tsunamis occur due to earthquakes that occur undersea or landslides on the seabed. This causes sudden movement of water and formation of large ocean waves which move towards the shore. These gigantic waves hit the ocean shore, enter the land, and cause major destruction and damage to life and property. This is molten magma. It is coming out due to a volcanic eruption. A volcano is an opening in the Earth's crust, through which molten rock called magma comes up on the Earth's surface. Due to the excessive heat and chemicals released in the form of magma during a volcanic eruption, mass destruction takes place. People living even far away from the volcano get affected by the heat and ash that comes out. With modern science and technology available at our doorstep, it has become easier to predict major storms, cyclones, and other weather-related natural disasters. But there are still some natural disasters that come up rather unexpectedly, such as earthquakes, wildfires, landslides, or even volcanic eruptions.